Welcome to 1315 Northeast 5th Terrace. As it starts raining, I can't wait to show you this beauty of a house in historic Fort Lauderdale. Come on in. As we stay dry, you want to see all the beautiful features of this house. The real wood patio, the wood ceiling, and as we walk in, open floor plan. I can't wait to show it to you. Come on, come on. Welcome to the beautiful home. I can't wait to show you this stunning house. As you come in, please don't miss any of the features, from the crown molding or to the way the floors flow throughout the entire house. Only differences are in the bathroom. This is a really cool feature. It's a Jack and Jill with built-out closets. Come on in. This is a queen-size bed with an end table, so you have a great size room. And around the windows, make sure you check out that molding because it's everywhere. As we walk in to the Jack and Jill bathroom, it's been completely updated with 1/2-inch glass shower, wood grain tile floors, and the two-tone where you have the powder blue and then the white down below. This room has a full-size bed with an end table, but a queen-size bed would fit in here perfectly. As we walk through the house, make sure you see how everything actually has a spot. You have a living room, you have a dining room, you have a full kitchen with 2-inch granite throughout, double sink, and stainless steel appliances. And don't forget to see all the crown molding goes throughout the entire house. In a house this size, you might think, where's the laundry room? Check this one out. 2 full washer and dryer and storage. And if you want to just go straight outside from here, you have your cabana door. Now, the crown jewel of this house is how big the master bedroom is. You need French doors to get in here. You can dance, play, sing, dresser, fall over the king-size bed, as you have full closets as well. In this room, you have 6 LED lights, 2 fans, and a full-size bathroom with 2 sinks. You're not going to want to miss this. As we walk into the master bathroom, you have 2 sinks, one of the biggest tubs I've seen in a house in this neighborhood, and a full shower. And if you thought this was enough, let's go check out your oasis in the backyard. As you walk into the backyard, you have your own oasis. You have a sitting area, a dining area, your full pool. What I love about this pool, you can put lounge chairs right here, and you can sit in the water without really getting wet. Welcome to the guest house. It could be an Airbnb, that long-lost family that you don't want in your house, or if you just want to turn this into your office, it's yours and you can do whatever you want. From your full-size living room to your full-size kitchen with a microwave, refrigerator, stovetop, and oven. You have everything you need in this guest house. Put your family back here. Rent it out for $100 a month. Whatever you want. And it has a full-size bedroom with a king-size bed. Check out the modern bathroom with an updated sink, a window, and even a shower that I can fit in. That's it, and that is our splash deal of the week.